हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा बड़े मेरा जो आ चुके हैं 6 स्टैंडर्ड के साइंस के साथ। और आज का मेरा चैप्टर का नाम है द मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, see whether the following statements are true or false. The merchant ships brought spices and other treasures from India and their other countries. True. Second, Antonio has gone on a long voyage. Answer false. Third, Bassanio was rich. Answer false. Potria had many brothers and sisters. False. Potria's suitor chose the golden and silver casket. True. Bassanio borrowed money from Shylock in Antonio's name. True. Shylock was not at all generous. True. Shylock demanded a pound of Antonio's flesh. True. Question. Portia saves Antonio in the court. True. Antonio's ship were lost at sea. False. Read the lesson and answer the questions in 3 to 4 sentences. First, why Antonio is waiting for a ship. Antonio was a merchant and has spent a lot of money in sending ships to faraway countries. Antonio was waiting for a ship to return with merchandise, but he had put almost of his money in the ships. Write the condition that Portia put down to warn Shylock. The young lawyer allowed Shylock to take a pound of flesh provided not to a single drop of Antonio's blood wound shield. Also, he should cut exactly 1 pound of flesh, nothing less, nothing more. That would be not allowed by the law. Find 4 words and end with OUS from the story. Look up in the dictionary and add 4 more words ending with OUS to the list. Prosperous, dangerous, adventurous, generous, gorgeous, contagious, numberous, courteous. Fourth, write 1 or 2 lines about each character. First, Antonio. Antonio was a merchant who lived in Venice, or prosperous city in Italy. He was very generous. Shylock was a jeweler, moneylender. He had a lot of money, but he was not at all generous. Money was all that he cared for. Bassanio was Antonio's best friend. He was a young and handsome nobleman with no money. Portia was a beautiful and intelligent lady. She was the only daughter of a very wealthy man. Portia married Bassanio. Write the following in short. First, story of the three quests. The Portia's father had written a test to his Portia's suit on the golden casing. It was written, "Whoever chooses me shall gain what many men desire." So the Prince of Morocco lost on selecting the golden clasp. On the silver case it was written, "Whoever chooses me shall get as much as he deserves." As the suitor of the Prince Argan lost by picking the silver cast, Bassanio selected the lead cast won Protita, as it was written, "Whoever chooses me must give and hazard all he has." Even at the court, Antonio was taken to court as he has failed to pay back Shylock the money he had borrowed. Now Shylock could take a pound of Antonio's flesh as written in the bond. The Jew who lived liked Antonio requested Shylock to the pardon Antonio. Then came the young lawyer who explained to Shylock the importance of the mercifulness, but Shylock did not accept it and then demanded Antonio's flesh. The lawyer said that he could take it, provide not a single drop of blood in shed and nothing else. Nothing more than 1 pound of Antonius flesh should be taken. Thus Shylock lost in the court. Grammar, language, study. First, read the following words and write the words that are combined to make these words, and add 10 more meaningful words to the list. Okay. Far away, word far plus away, whoever, who plus ever, nobleman, noble plus man, moneylender, money plus lender, valuable, value plus able, sometimes, some plus times, handsome, hand plus something, some plus thing, nothing, no plus thing, fulfill, full plus fill, himself, him plus self, someone, सम प्लस 1. तो आज के लिए बस नहीं. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आओगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब. और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.